Say hi, Auntie Carly.
Hello, Auntie Carly.
And hello, Uncle Bill.
Hello, people.
Give them a kiss.
A kiss.
Go mwah.
Bah.
Can you count up to 10? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Clever boy. Are you a clever boy?
Clever boy, people. Clever boy.
Clever boy, Uncle Bill.
Clever boy.
And clever girl, Auntie Carly.
Clever boy, Carly.
Do you love Auntie Carly? Say I love you.
Okay.
Love you. Say I love you.
I think it was Carly.
Good boy.
Thank you. Okay.